Hi everyone, Dylan Allison here with Hoosier Riverwatch, and welcome to our series of training videos on water quality monitoring. Whether you're a current volunteer or a potential new volunteer, these videos will serve as a refresher or an introduction. Let's dive in. Turbidity is a measure of water clarity influenced by suspended particles like clay, silt, and algae. Transparency refers to the depth at which an object can be seen in the water column. High turbidity and low transparency can negatively impact aquatic ecosystems. Several factors can influence turbidity, including sediment erosion, algal blooms, and disturbances from boat traffic that stirs up sediments. To measure turbidity, you can use a turbidity tube. First, rinse the tube and collect a water sample using a bucket if needed. Collect from the main flow of the stream, upstream from yourself to avoid sediment. Slowly pour the sample into the turbidity tube, and with the sun at your back, look down into the tube and record the depth in centimeters at which you can barely see the X at the bottom. Do not wear sunglasses during this test. Use the Q value chart to convert the transparency measurement to NTUs, the units of turbidity. Higher turbidity and lower transparency values indicate a less clear water body. Excessive turbidity can limit light penetration, affecting photosynthesis and dissolved oxygen levels. It can also harm aquatic organisms by clogging their gills and smothering their habitat.